Hi everyone, I'm Uliana if you're new here. This is a full body standing warm-up that you can do before your yoga practice or any other physical activity. We will begin standing with feet around hip distance apart. Roll your shoulders up and back. Stand nice and tall. Open your palms to face forward. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. And now begin making circles with your head. Gentle circles in one direction. And switch direction, 3 more circles to the other side. Bring your head back to center. Start making circles with your shoulders, as big as you can. And reverse. Release your shoulders, make fists, and start making circles with your wrists. Another direction. Extend your right arm, palm facing forward. Gently press your hand back so that you feel the stretch on the forearm and wrist. Now turn the palm and gently press to feel the stretch on the top of the wrist and forearm. Same on the other side, palm facing forward, gently press back, feel the stretch. And then turn the palm other way, press and feel the stretch. Release your arms, place them on your waist, make a few circles with your hips. Switch direction. Shift your weight into the left foot, lift your right leg, 5 circles with your ankle in one direction, and 5 circles in another direction. Release this leg, same on the other side. Bend your leg, 5 circles clockwise. And 5 circles anti-clockwise. Release your foot. Feet hip distance apart. Big inhale, reach your arms up, stretch. Exhale, release the arms down. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, release. With next inhale, reach your arms up, lift your heels, balance on your toes. Exhale, release the heels down, lift your toes. Inhale, reach up, balance on the toes. Exhale, heels down, lift the toes. And one more round, inhale. Exhale. And release your feet. Interlace your fingers so that the palms are facing away from you. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend to the right, stretching the left side. Inhale to center. Exhale, bend to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Last round, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale, release your arms. Inhale to reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. And last round, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, release. Interlace your fingers again. Inhale, reach your arms up and lean back, stretching the front of the torso. Exhale, bend halfway forward, torso parallel to the ground, stretching the back of the legs. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. One more inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend forward. Release your arms and move your feet a little wider for wide-legged forward bend, feet parallel. Bend forward, you can slightly bend your knees if you need to. Hug your elbows. Let your upper body hang heavy. You can rock a little side to side, back and forward to release the spine. Release your arms, bend your knees and slowly come up with inhale. For lunge pose, bend one leg so that the knee is on top of the ankle. Slightly tuck your tailbone in so that you feel a deeper stretch on the hip flexors of the other leg. And hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, straighten your legs and same on the other side, knee on top of the ankle. Tuck your tailbone in. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, straighten your legs. And for our last pose, bring your feet a little closer, toes pointing out, bend your knees and sit into deep squat. Bring your palms together, open your knees wider with your elbows and try to bring your thumbs closer to your chest. Keep lifting the chest. You will probably feel the stretch somewhere in your hips, maybe on the lower back, maybe in your ankles. Remember to breathe deeply. And now slowly come up to standing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye!